You're managing support with Zendesk. But nurturing leads with HubSpot. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when support tickets are resolved, trigger follow-up emails in HubSpot to maintain customer relationships. Or create support tickets in Zendesk when HubSpot forms are submitted with technical issues. Or even automatically add Zendesk users to HubSpot contact lists when they're added to specific support groups. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Zendesk and HubSpot, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.